Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 67 of Building the 1966 Batmobile. In this issue, we are coming up on the end of the year with December 28th, 1966. Back with Catwoman. And episode 67 Sandman Cometh. One where Batman is stitched up by the Sandman. Sandman was not Batman, was it? The Sandman was Bob. That was Spider-Man's adversary, wasn't it? I don't remember that one, but there we go. If there's no Batman to drive crazy, what's the point of being crazy? Batman 96, Part 2. 30 years after the thing and 30 years before now. It's quite scary, isn't it? There we go. So this is what we got. The gear shift to the center console. Make up the gear shift, fit it to the center console. We started doing the seatbelts on last time. My knot doesn't look anything like that. That doesn't look like a knot. That's what we got to do. And then we will fit the Batphone base. So the Batphone is just a phone, which we got way back in the first episode. I'll dig it out and see if it fits on there nicely. But it's just going to sit on top of there, apparently, because that's the way phones work. So, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get straight to it. Right, so here we go. We've got all the parts. I'll dug out the Batphone to try that later. So we've got, first of all, to make up the gear shift. We are pushing that through inside the rubber bit and then fitting that into this bit by pushing that up through there. Like that. That is held in place with that, which has also got the blob, which holds the gear shift piece in place. Does matter which way around that goes. It looks like it's going to go that way. There, so that's going to not move. Need 2 screws to hold that in place. We've only got 1 type of screw provided today, so that's nice and easy. Lots of them out. I'm not going to need all of them. Need 2 for now. There. There. And 1 there. Get that lined up properly. Not lined up properly. Come on. Feels better. Go, that's that. Then I can tighten up the other side. Nice. And then we can open up our other bag, which has got our little silver gear shift knob, which will have a hole on one side. Go onto there. Like that, but better. On the end again, there it is. Get that on there. Be a tight fit because you don't want it coming off, but there we go. That's that attached. Then we need to attach the back base, which needs another 2 of those screws. So I'll put 1 of those back away again. There'd be 1 spare. That is going on there like so. Screws will hold that in place. 1 at the bottom, 1 at the top. That one there. That one. All the way in. Up the top there. Right. Again, to make sure everything lines up properly. That doesn't. There it goes. Now. Then we can get them both tightened up. And we are there for another issue. Nice. So the Batphone will just sit on there like that. Right. There we go. Right. Another issue done. Thank you very much for joining me. I'll see you for more next time. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.